Hello everyone, I hope you're doing great. My name is Salman Chaudhry. This is my office in the S block S426F. I will be the instructor for the course called Digital Image Processing. Let's look at the course. This course is basically about learning about how to process digital images from one form to another, sometimes to enhance the image and sometimes to compress the images and sometimes to understand the image. But before I go into the introduction about the course, let me make something a bit clear. And that is that the digital image processing, this term, is slightly different than computer vision. Computer vision is something which lets you have an image and then apply some kind of algorithms using some mathematics. We try to understand what the contents of the image really are. On the other hand, the image processing domain, it lets us take an image and transform the image into another image which may look better than the original image or which may have different appearance or different properties as compared to the original image. And sometimes there are areas when both of these fields they overlap. We use the image processing a lot of times to be given as input to the computer vision algorithms trying to understand the contents of the image. Whereas the image processing now, in this case, becomes a preprocessor for the computer vision algorithm. So we will not be going much inside the computer vision domain. We will instead simply keep ourselves to image processing part. These are my office hours. This is my email address. So you'll be getting this Zoom link where we'll be connecting every week. And then for the course website, we will primarily be using Moodle, and you will be getting the videos on YouTube, and I will be posting links for each video. We will be using Zoom for interactive sessions. If you're in the class, you will be sitting with us and you will be able to interact with us. Similarly, we'll have labs where I'll be explaining to you how we can apply different algorithms and test the output of those algorithms. And we will be trying to use Python as well as Matlab. Matlab will be a new thing for you, and you will get a chance to know Matlab a bit better. It's visual in nature, so you can visualize your data in a much easier way. You need to have a good grasp on data structures and algorithms as well as linear algebra. So, what I would recommend to you guys is to have your programming skills updated and at the same time have your mathematics skills up to date so that you don't find any difficulty in going through the assignments or the quizzes. As far as for the people who are well versed in these prerequisites, I would say that there is a lot to learn. You'll be able to enjoy the course, inshallah. And so, if you're enrolled in the course, you'll be able to find all the material on Moodle. And I hope to see you in the class.